Today, the important extension which we are going to discuss will be very, very useful for the mathematics professor, teacher, mathematics, like who are doing your stuff with max. It will be very, very easy for you. It's very important for you. So keep on seeing this. Even this is also useful for chemistry, physics, and almost whoever is going to use the equations and formula and many important notations in maths in your thesis or scholarly paper or even in your notes while preparing your notes. So this is very useful. The important extension which you're going to see today is what equate io. Okay, equate io is the important thing which you're going to see. So here, if you click here, this is the extension where you can see that you can create the mathematical extensions, equations and formulas, even quizzes. Even you can write the formula that will be converted into a digital format. Okay, you have to give the variation properly and it will be converted. So you can also use the Google application support, like you can use the Microsoft sorry Microsoft sorry, not Microsoft, you can use the Google Docs, or you can also use the Google Slide. Okay, whichever is relevant to that, you can use the Google applications. Okay, even chemistry formula prediction is also here, and it will predict the text. Whichever the text you are just writing, it will predict it. So simply just go and add the extension to your Google Chrome, and here you can see that the equate IO is here. Okay, so simply pin this, click this. If you click this, you can see that it will ask you to sign in. Okay, so you can sign in with the Google. Either you can do it like this, or else you can also use this with Microsoft Document. Sorry, you can use it with even, yeah, Microsoft Document. Even you can use it with the Google Docs. Okay, so you can just simply sign in here, whereas it will redirect you to the next page. Okay, so where it will show up a canvas. Fine. So of course it is opening with the Google Doc. uh, if you are a teacher, you can sign in with the teacher, where you can find some important thing, like you can create a quiz and you can create an equation. And if you are a student, you can get the quizzes from the teacher. So please give the proper thing. If you are a teacher, you have to go ahead with the teacher. So click here and click okay, I got it. And then everything, like it will show you completely. Okay, so you can start writing here. So here you can see that this is what the canvas. Okay, here you can start typing whatever you want. You can start typing using the text. Okay, just click okay, I got it. So here you can simply type. So this is what the equate io um, UI, how it looks like. So I am just typing integrate. Okay, in so once if I type inter, so it is showing integral. Okay, I can write it here, and then whatever the formula, that is calculations, you want to do it, you can go ahead with that. So this is one. And the next one is, as I told, you can even write the formula. Okay, so this is what the handwriting you can use. Integrate formula. Okay, I'm sorry about the max, so it is showing like a j. You can do ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, see, it is predicting completely. Okay, whatever you are writing, that will be predicted. And once if you are okay with your thing, then you can simply click here, insert math, where it will be converted into a link and it will be automatically inserted in your document. So here the formula is inserted. Okay, even if you want to do any changes, you can do it. Or also you can just give your input as a speech, like you can give your input as a voice, and then you can type it. For example, integral or log x, log y, whatever you're trying to give as an input, you can try this as well. Okay, so if you click here equate io, you can see like various other options here. And again, if you click this, you can see the canvas. And this is for chemistry, that is, this is stem tool, and this is a screenshot reader. If you want a math space, you can see here. So here you can see this is a periodic table, this is a scientific calculator, and this is a molecular viewer. So click here to the molecular viewer. If you are a chemistry teacher, you can just see here, go to the name, and if you want to search something, you can search something like Okay, so you can simply select here and see this is what the molecular weir, how it looks like. If you want to rotate, you can rotate. I hope you know better, like any other thing. If you know the molecular um, name properly, you can try this. Okay, so here I'm just typing this here. This is what the molecular shape. Okay, so you can zoom in and then you can see here, like with a line or with a cross, with a stick. Okay, whatever the shape you want, you can do it. And you can also see how this moleculars look like. Okay, so this is one. And you can also see some other thing like a periodic table if you want to find the periodic table information, because I have clicked here titanium. So here you can see that what are the relevant information about the titanium. And then if you want to add this into your equate io editor, the click here add to equate io editor, where that is inserted here. Okay, likewise if you want to add some thing which is related to chemistry, you can try this. Okay, I hope this is really, you will find this very useful, and try to make use of it in your real time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. We will see with a different set of extension in the next video. If you have any doubt in this video, you can just post it in the comment. I'll be definitely helping you out. Thank you. Take care.